Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight I'm making some pizzeritos. Yep, I did pizzerianos. Now I'm doing a burrito with that pizza dough. So they're called pizzeritos. Anyway, so let me just take this and show you how it's done. Okay, I'm going to make these pizzeritos with this pizza dough that I've been using quite often lately, but instead of using them on the Blackstone, we're going to do these in the oven. All right, so I need to get some flour down. Okay, I've already unrolled it. This is the large family size one. It comes in rectangle, and the small 12-inch ones come in rounds. All right, so got my flour on the board, and now I think I'm going to try to get at least 3 pizzeritos out of this, which is, you know, burritos and a pizza dough. And I'm not sure which way is going to be easier for me to do it. It might be easier if I do it this way. All right, so I'm not showing you how to, you know, cook ground beef and put your seasonings in it. We have ground beef already seasoned up. You can put whatever you want. This just has a kind of like taco seasoning, but not using the packet kind. Get the filling in just like you have a tortilla. I'm going to get your filling in. I guess I need to move it over a little bit because I need to pull the dough up and over. And of course, you know what I'm going to have, what I'm going to load these with, right? I'll load these up with some green chilies. Actually, they're red and green. Just chopped up some red chilies that I had. All right, so here's our chopped chilies. Now, green chilies and red chilies. Now you can add, you know, nothing. You can add whatever you normally add in your burritos. If you're using this pizza dough, makes it very easy. Yeah. Can you tell we like red chili or green chili? All right. That looks good enough for one of the burritos, and then we're going to load it up with some Chihuahua cheese. Find it at Walmart or Kroger. I don't know if anybody else has it. I haven't seen it in any other store besides those. So, all right, now let's see if I can get this rolled up. Pinch those in. Take the dough up and over. All right, so I've got it like that. And then I'm going to take my pizza cutter and just cut a little bit past it, right there, so that I can roll it over more. And then I'm just going to fold these edges under. Okay, just like that. I'm going to set it on my pan with some parchment paper, and that is our pizzerito. Got 3 pizzeritos, and I'm going to spray some butter spray on top before I put them in the oven. Help them brown up. Okay, 400 degrees for 14 to 18 minutes. So we'll be back. Actually went 22 minutes. Wanted to get them nice and toasty brown. The dough. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Okay, I'm going to set them over here. There we go. Pizzeritos. Burritos wrapped in pizza dough. All right, you know the drill. We got to cut into one of these. Pizzerito. Wow, look at that. Look at all that green chili. All right, let's do a taste test. How easy is that, right? You just take that pizza dough, that thin pizza dough you can buy, unroll it, make your meat, stuff it. You got a pizzerito. All right, let's take a taste. As you can imagine, that tastes really, really good. All right, so hey, if you can find some of that pizza dough, or make your own, roll it thin, Make burritos with the pizza dough. It's so good. I know some people may say, oh, that's a stromboli, blah, 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 but it's a pizzerito. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.